So for this section, we're going to look at how we can handle the basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, in terms of other bases. And to understand this, probably the best thing to do is to think back to when you were in elementary school or whenever it was you learned the longhand ways of adding two numbers together or subtracting them or multiplying them or even doing long division, where if you're taking something like, say, 1 plus 2, you know that equals 3 because you can just, well, look at it on your fingers and get there. Whereas something like 22 plus 79, knowing that that gets you up to 101, well, it took a little bit more work, not too much more, but you should be a little bit more careful in terms of how those digits get rearranged and where you have to carry ones. And we're actually going to be doing the same sort of thing here, where I'll say that for all of this stuff, if you ever want to check your work or you're just not in the mood to deal with the base that you're given, you can always convert your values back to base 10, add them together, subtract them, what have you, in base 10, then send them back to whatever base they're supposed to start with. If nothing else, that's a good way to check your work. Where the first thing I look at, as it says there, is addition with a couple of examples.